Life is beautiful. Sometimes. It can also be incredibly boring and difficult and annoying. We all have responsibilities we'd rather not fulfill 100% of the time for whatever reason. Maybe they're too dull, too time-consuming, or too stressful. The chores, the exams, the family and relationship obligations, the work meetings, the manslaughter trials, blah, 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 blah. You get the picture. Sometimes you're not feeling up to it, or you'd just plain rather be doing something else, like shopping, or playing video games, or masturbating. Now I can hear you saying, but Jim, no one is exempt from these mundane aspects of life, right? Don't we all have to suck it up and take one for the team once in a while? Don't we all have to take that driving exam at the DMV, sit through that sexual harassment training session at the office, perform that heart surgery, or whatever? Well, not anymore, my friends. Thanks to Replace-A-Buddies. Replace-A-Buddies will take your place anytime, anywhere, for any reason, and allow you to reclaim your freedom to decide how you really want to use your precious time. Because you've got to remember that for each one of us, time is a non-renewable resource. You're going to die one day, and you have absolutely no idea when your time will come, for certain. Do you really want to waste your afternoon sitting through your niece's piano recital or visiting your sick friend in the hospital? Yeah. Why not book a Replace-A-Buddy and spend your day smoking cigarettes at the beach? Look, if there's a whack task that lacks the gas to keep you on track, don't have a heart attack, Jack. Replace-A-Buddies has got your back. From the smallest of errands to the most devious of plots and schemes, Replace-A-Buddies has got you covered. Don't want to go to the store? Call a Replace-A-Buddy to handle that chore. Don't want to serve that lengthy prison sentence? Let a Replace-A-Buddy enjoy your 3 hots and a cot until they rot. The only thing Replace-A-Buddies won't do is babysit your children. Repeat, Replace-A-Buddies will not babysit your kids. Find Replace-A-Buddies on the dark web and enter the promo code REPLACE/Schneider to save big on your first awesome replacement experience. Oh, and you're going to need that promo code, by the way. It's an incredibly expensive service.